Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert Canva slides to PowerPoint or Microsoft Word. To begin, open your Canva presentation. In this example, the presentation already appears on screen and is ready to export. Before moving on, take a quick moment to confirm that you are in the correct design file and that the slides look the way you want them to. This is helpful because the downloaded file will reflect the current version of your presentation. Once your presentation is open, move to the top right corner of the Canva window and click Share. This is where Canva groups several options for sending, presenting, or exporting your design. If you are new to Canva, this menu is a common starting point for downloading your work into different formats. After the Share menu opens, click Download. This will take you to Canva's Export Settings, where you can choose the type of file you want to create. If your goal is to continue editing the presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, this is the section you'll use to create a PowerPoint-compatible version of your slides. Next, look for the File Type drop-down menu and click it. The file type setting is important because Canva supports several export formats, and each one is intended for a different use. Choosing the right format helps make sure your presentation opens properly in the application you plan to use next. From the list of available formats, select PPTX. This is the standard PowerPoint file format and is the best choice when you want to move Canva slides into Microsoft PowerPoint for further editing or presenting. Keep in mind that while Canva does a good job converting slides, some fonts, spacing, animations, or design elements may look slightly different once opened in PowerPoint, so it's a good idea to review the file afterward. Finally, click Download to start the export. Canva will prepare the presentation and save the PowerPoint file to your computer. Depending on the size of the presentation and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device and open it in Microsoft PowerPoint to check that everything transferred correctly. If you plan to use the content in Microsoft Word, opening the PowerPoint file first can make it easier to copy slides, outlines, or text into a Word document as needed. That's the full process for converting Canva slides into a PowerPoint file ready to use in Microsoft tools.